Hello folks, this is Tech20 coming at you with another tutorial where today we're going to be covering how to unhide a sheet on your spreadsheet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So for example, let's say that we have a drop down here and looking at it and Linda no longer works for the company. So we want to remove her name from that drop down. But so we come over here to data validation and click data validation again. This will bring this up, your list, and it'll say equals name. Well, where is that sheet? I don't know where it's at. So one way to do that is to just come down here to the bottom of Excel. And then what you will do is go ahead and right click. And then you'll select Unhide. And it'll give you the sheets that are hidden. If there's more than one, of course, you'll have each one here. You can either select just one or just that one. I'll go ahead and select that one. As you can see here, we have Linda's name. So we'll go ahead and delete that line. Right click, delete. That'll shift it up. Then we'll come back over here to our original data. And we'll see that Linda is no longer a selectable person through that. As you can see, she is no longer there. Alright, if you found this tutorial helpful, please do feel free to leave a like and please subscribe, as that way you'll be able to get notified of any other tutorials that I come up with. Thank you and have a great day.